My water heater is not heating up.
I think it is out of its element. Or you are.
The hot water heater is in the same place it has always been.
If the hot water heater is not heating up, my first guess is that one of the elements burned out. That's especially likely if the water was getting cold after you received an initial hot burst or all just lukewarm.
I'd expect it to be all cold when I got all wet if the element is out.
Water is one of the most heat-absorbent substances known to man short of really exotic materials, and it can hold massive amounts of heat. Because of this, most hot water heaters have 2 or more elements.
So one burned out. The other should keep going.
If one burned out, it can only make the water around it hot or the whole thing lukewarm. And the functioning one does double time until it stops.
And then the whole thing goes cold.
There's also the possibility that the pilot light is out, if you have a gas hot water heater.
It is electric.
If it were an appliance, I'd say check to make sure it was plugged in. In the case of an electric hot water heater, I'd suggest checking the fuses.
The rest of the house is fine.
There might be an electrical problem with the hot water heater. Or running the hot water heater at its higher temperature, washer, dryer and other appliances in the laundry room might have flipped it.
I have not been changing the hot water heater's temperature setting. If we set it lower, it won't be hot water anymore.
There is the possibility that the thermometer may be broken, reading wrong.
That's not so hot.
That's why the water's not hot. Look, just flush it or call a plumber.
Who ends it flush with my cash?
At least he won't leave you out in the cold like your hot water heater is.